Now there are a few ways you can use this tool to work on shell rolls, and I wanted to make sure you guys were aware how to use this. I started largely by using this particular surface right here to add a swirling pattern to the shell cordovan to kind of smooth out rolls. I can also use the tip without fear for creating any leather scratches, which I've had happen before, and get into the more nitty-gritty areas using almost the tool like a pen to kind of address, say, this area right in here that you're seeing, and just get that oil leather redistributed properly, just like that, like you're drawing on a pen, which I really love about this. Right here you can see the broader approach using the tool, the more fine approach using the other end of the tool, and finally, if you want to use the entire edge of the tool, you can use this entire edge without fear for damaging the leather. And you can see the oils emerging, warming, and then redistributing, which is a large portion of how you would start to remove the rolls and the creases in shell cordovan little by little. Another nice thing I like about this tool is how close you can get to the hard edges to make sure that you're finishing the job. And then after that, and voila, a little less rolliness, just like that, on this beautiful pair of Florsheim Yumas. So it does not take a whole lot to get high quality results. You can continue to do this process to continue to refine the look of your shoes and smooth out the shell however you wish. Designed by a shoe care enthusiast and expert in cordovan care in Shellvedge, executed to perfection by a woodwork expert in Dapper Woodworks. Give the Shellvedge and Dapper Woodworks Ebony Stick a try for your shell cordovan needs. I don't think you will be at all disappointed. This beautiful product does exactly what it promises to do in redefining shell cordovan care. Hope you're all doing well. It's Ashwin Rao. I'll catch you at the next video.